Hi and welcome again to Excel's Master Course. In this session we gonna topic about the second topic of this course. Data cleaning. Are you ready? In this video you will learn about data cleaning and the factors which are affecting it. Like those: human errors, data integrations, data collections. Now let's talk about data cleaning. Data cleaning process is the process of identifying and correcting errors and inconsistencies in data. Data cleaning is necessary to ensure that your data is accurate and reliable, so that you can draw meaningful insights from it. Data can come from a variety of sources, such as surveys, databases, and social media platforms. When data is collected from multiple sources, it is common for there to be errors and inconsistencies. Data cleaning is the process of fixing these errors and inconsistencies, so that the data can be used for analysis. You are may asking yourself after this concept: are there clean data and dirty data? And the answer is yes. There are clean data and dirty ones. Clean data is data that is accurate, complete, consistent, and uniform. It is data that is free from errors and inconsistencies. Clean data is essential for data analysis, as it allows you to draw meaningful insights from your data. Now let's talk about dirty data. Dirty data is data that is inaccurate, incomplete, inconsistent, or non-uniform. It is data that contains errors and inconsistencies. Dirty data can make it difficult or impossible to draw meaningful insights from your data. Dirty data can come from a variety of sources, such as human error. Data entry errors are a common source of dirty data. Data integration. When data is integrated from multiple sources, it is common for there to be errors and inconsistencies. Data collection methods. Data that is collected using poor methods is more likely to be dirty. Let's talk about human errors. Here's spreadsheet from Law Office. It shows customers, the legal services, the service order number, how much they paid, and the payment method. Let's see why human errors made it dirty data. Dirty data can be the result of someone who types data incorrectly. Inconsistent formatting. Blank field. Or the same data entered more than once, which causes duplicates. Data integration is the process of combining data from different sources into a single data warehouse or data lake. This can be a complex process, as the data from different sources may be in different formats and may not be compatible with each other. Data integration can impact the cleanliness of data in a number of ways. For example, if the data from different sources is not formatted consistently, this can lead to errors and inconsistencies in the integrated data. Additionally, if the data from different sources is not compatible with each other, this can make it difficult to clean and integrate the data. Here are some examples of how data integration can affect the cleanliness of data. Duplicate records. If data is integrated from multiple sources, there is a risk of creating duplicate records. Duplicate records can make it difficult to analyze the data and to get an accurate picture of your business. Missing values. If data is integrated from multiple sources, there is a risk of creating missing values. Missing values can make it difficult to analyze the data and to get a complete picture of your business. Inconsistent formats. If data is integrated from multiple sources, it is possible that the data will be in different formats. This can make it difficult to clean the data and to draw meaningful insights from it. Now let's see how data collection can affect the cleanness of the data. Data collection is the process of gathering data from a variety of sources. It can be done through surveys, interviews, focus groups, or by scraping data from websites and other online sources. If data is collected incorrectly, it is more likely to contain errors and inconsistencies. This can make it difficult to clean the data and to draw meaningful insights from it. In this video you have learned the basic concept in data cleaning. Thank you for pay attention. Don't forget to subscribe and apply notification and like the video. See you in the next session.